what we choose to think about, what we decide to focus on. What kinds of questions we ask, and what kinds of answers we seek has consequences that extend far beyond our individual lives. We are not just observers of cosmic evolution. We are its active participants, its co-creators, its partners in the ongoing experiment of existence, exploring its own nature. This is why the story doesn't end here. This is why every answer leads to new questions. Every solution reveals new mysteries. Every moment of understanding opens up vast new territories of the unknown. The universe isn't a puzzle to be solved, but a reality to be created. Not a movie to be watched, but a story to be written. Not a question to be answered, but a process of questioning to be continued. The end of the universe that we've been exploring isn't a destination, but a horizon, always receding as we approach it, always revealing new vistas as our understanding deepens. Every time we think we've reached the final chapter of cosmic evolution, consciousness discovers new ways to transcend the apparent limitations, new possibilities for existence, to continue exploring itself through increasingly complex and beautiful forms. What if the heat-death of the universe isn't the end, but a transformation? What if the apparent approach of cosmic equilibrium triggers new forms of consciousness that don't depend on temperature gradients or energy flows? What if awareness finds ways to exist in states of reality so different from our current understanding that calling them existence is like calling a symphony, a collection of vibrations in air? The universe might be approaching not death, but metamorphosis, not ending but beginning, not final equilibrium, but transformation into forms of being so radically different from anything we can currently imagine that they represent entirely new categories of existence. Consciousness itself might be evolution's way of preparing for this transformation, developing the capabilities that will be needed to navigate realities where space and time, matter and energy, existence and non-existence operate according to principles we haven't discovered yet. But here's the question that should keep you awake at night, staring up at the stars and feeling the weight of infinite possibility pressing down on your temporary existence. What if this transformation depends on us? What if the universe can only transcend its apparent limitations through the conscious choices made by beings like us? In moments like this, when awareness encounters the fundamental mysteries of existence and decides how to respond, your next thought might be the thought that tips the cosmic balance. Your next question might be the question that opens a new chapter in the universe's understanding of itself. Your next moment of wonder might be the moment when consciousness discovers a new way to exist, a new form of reality to explore, a new possibility for the cosmos to continue its unlikely journey toward ever greater complexity and beauty. The story we've told you isn't finished because it can't be finished. It's a story that writes itself through the choices made by conscious beings who encounter the mystery of their own existence and decide what to do with that encounter. It's a narrative that evolves as it's told, a question that changes as it's asked, a reality that transforms as it's observed. You are not the audience for this cosmic drama. You are its author, its director, its protagonist, and its conclusion, all rolled into one impossible, magnificent, temporary pattern of organized matter that has learned to contemplate infinity. The universe continues to exist because consciousness continues to observe it. Reality continues to